Hello everyone, myself Sunita Patil. I am working in InfiSky company. Now today onwards we are starting tutorials on Arduino. In that you will learn everything about Arduino. So we'll see one by one. So this is our company, that is InfiSky. So welcome to InfiSky. We innovate solutions, means we make different projects also, softwares also, all everything we do. Then Arduino complete tutorial you will see here, and you can see our website also, that is www.infisky.com. You can visit to this website and you can see in that website also. So you can see here sensors are there. So we'll work on sensors also, means how to interface ultrasonic sensor or DHT11 sensor with Arduino Uno. That also we are learning. Then about IR sensor also I will tell, motion sensor, then LM35 sensor, moisture sensor. We'll tell one by one in next session. Okay, so stay tuned this channel. Then first we'll see what is Arduino. So some people might be knowing what is Arduino, and Arduino, Arduino Mega is there, Arduino Nano is there, different types of boards are there. Some might be knowing, some might be don't know about this. So if you don't know also, I am there to teach you. I'll tell you everything, and I'll tell you, you will learn everything from this tutorial. Arduino is a open source. Okay, open source means it is, we can download that is freely, means there is no charge to download. And by using this Arduino we can work with sensors, buttons, everything. LED also, I'll tell you about LED, how to control lights and all that also I'll tell. Then why we use Arduino. So you can see we do home automation and all, in that also we need Arduino. Then small projects, big projects, in everything nowadays Arduino is running like trend. It is like trend. So if you learn this you will get everything, and you can do your own projects also. Okay, you can see this is our Arduino board. In that I'll tell you one by one. Just see, this is Atmega 328P. It's the main controller of this board. Okay, you might be knowing controller means what. It will control all the things, what is what instruction we give to this controller, that it will do. Okay, then you can see these are the digital pins, that is from 0 to 13. These are the digital pins, these are input output pins. We can use that as input also and output also. Then you can see here analog pins are there. Analog pins, this we are using only for sensors, means some sensors are there, not only for sensors. I can say analog sensors also, means which works on analog, now that we can connect to these pins. Like some sensors are there, output of that sensor will be analog. So for that sensor we can use these analog pins. Then you can see a power source. You can see a 5 volt is there, ground is there, in is there. You might be knowing what is 5 volt. 5 volt means supply, ground means we are grounding. Then 3.3 volt is also there, means some controllers are there, or you can take Wi-Fi board. It needs 3.3 volt, so you can give supply from this. Next you can see here crystal oscillator is there. Okay, then power jack, DC power jack. Here you can give from 9 volt. Arduino it needs 5 volt, but externally you can give 9 volt or 12 volt. It will convert that 9 volt into 5 volt, because we are using here regulator IC, that is 7805. By using that, this Arduino will get 5 volt supply. Okay, then you can see here USB port is there. From this we are doing programming, means whatever program we do, that will be upload through this port, USB port, and even it will work as supply also. Then one reset pin is there. Reset pin means what? It will reset the program. Okay, this is the about Arduino. Okay, means main things I have told you. Here you can see TR also there, RX is also there, that is transmitter, receiver. Okay, in next tutorials you will get everything about this. Next we'll see how to download this software and all. So you need to visit this website, that is arduino.cc. Okay, now we'll visit to that website and we'll, okay, open just Google, then type here arduino.cc, go in softwares. There you can see here it will support to Windows also, Linux also, Mac also. It will support to all operating system. So mine is Windows 10, so I will go to this Windows. It will support Windows 10 also. Then you need to go here, just download. Okay, here is their contribute and download. If you want to contribute, then you can do that. I'll go now, just download. Okay, so it is downloading, you can see here. It will take some time to download. Yes, it's done now. Then we'll go here to install. See, already one I have downloaded also. This is new one. Okay, next we'll install this. So click on this. You know how to install and all. Okay, just click, then next. See, it is saying that Arduino version 1. It is already there. Okay, so what I will do, I will uninstall that. I will go in control panel, programs, because I want to show you, so I'm uninstalling that software. Just type here Arduino. Okay, uninstall. Okay, it will take some time to uninstall. Opened. Okay, it is opened. So what I will do, okay, it is uninstalling now. Okay, it's completed now. Okay, now we'll install our Arduino. So click. It will take some time. Yes, I agree. Next, then install. You can choose drive also. I have choose the C drive. Mostly you try to choose C drive only. It will take some time. I have done pause, then again I have released and I am showing you. Okay, now downloading is completed. So close. Then you can see here one Arduino symbol will get in desktop also, and you can search here in search bar also, Windows search, you will get Arduino. Just open it. Okay, it is opening now. थोड़ा सा टाइम लेगा ओपन होने के लिए, बट इट विल ओपन. ओके, अभी ओपन हुआ है. सो आई विल मैक्सिमाइज. This is our Arduino IDE, where we do all programming of Arduino. Everything we are doing on this IDE only. In this you can see different versions also are there. I'm using 1.8.1.15. You can go for 1.8.5 also. Then see here this is file means you will see new, open, how to open a file, this examples. You can see one best application is there in this application, or features I can say. See here, you can see we are getting some basic programs. like basic how to blink LED, then controls, arrays, sensors, display, LCD display, some basic program it is providing to learn. Okay, so this is the best I can say one feature is there. It has, see, GSM is also there. We'll get basic program, using that also you can learn Arduino programming. Then see here it is verify means compile, then upload, you will get upload option. Then new, you can see here also new option is there, and here also you will get new option. Then open, here also is there. This is shortcut, these all are shortcut. Okay, then see save also shortcut is there. Then main thing is sketch. See, in sketch include library. Okay, means if you connect any external device to this controller, then it will ask library. Okay, that time you need to download and you need to just zip, so it will add that library into a library of Arduino. Okay, just you need to do download and add zip, that I will show you later. Then see here upload option is there, verify, compile is also there. Then we'll go in tools. We can see in tools there is an board means which board you are using, that you need to select here. Like Arduino Uno is there, Arduino Nano is there, Arduino Mega is there, different boards are there. So now we are working on Arduino Uno, so you need to select Arduino Uno board. Because I have not connected, so it is not showing here port. So whenever you will connect Arduino, it will show this port option, it will get activate. That I will tell you in next class, in next session. Okay. Then see here save option. So I can tell you Arduino programming is very easy. I'll tell you one, if you don't know C also you can learn this, because it's like C only. So thank you so much for this. So please, if you like this Arduino programming means Arduino, how what I told today, then please comment it. And if you have any questions and all, just comment it, we'll reply to all the comments. And even if you feel good, then just like also, if you like, हमको थोड़ा मोटिवेशन भी मिल जाएगा, सो हम ज़्यादा वीडियोस बनाएंगे. सो लाइक भी करो, और आपको अच्छा लगा, आपको यूज़फुल लगा, तो प्लीज़ आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको शेयर करो, जो समझो उनको भी यूज़ होगा तो. सो थैंक यू, सी यू इन नेक्स्ट सेशन.